Hi and welcome to this short query elements tutorial. In this tutorial I will demonstrate the checkbox range filter widget and how to integrate it with the archive widget. Here I have an Elementor page. I have previously added the archive widget. Now let's add the checkbox range filter. Here we have our widget. Let's add a title and enable the display search button. Next, we click on the query tab and add a query parameter. We have no need of any prefix or postfix in this example. Now let's add some ranges. And now with some ranges added, let's integrate it with the archive widget. So let's click on the widget and go to the query tab. Here we need to click on the meta query section. The table size value is added to each of the posts using advanced custom fields. And we will be using advanced elements dynamic tag to retrieve the specific field. So first we choose meta query type. Then we add a new meta query. Let's add our dynamic tag. In this example we need to use the return name of key, so let's enable that. Next we go to compare, and here we need to use mixed ranges. The meta value type needs to be numeric. And the meta value needs to be a query parameter. So let's use that dynamic tag. Let's enter our query parameter name and a default value. Since this is a range, we need to enter a range. So first min value, then colon max value. And the type needs to be string, or else the value is converted to an int and it needs to be a string. Now let's update and go to our front page. Here I have the archive page. Let's refresh. Here we see our filter. Let's check a box and search. The cafe updated. Let's search again. Let's click all boxes. As you can see, all is easily updated on searches. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comment section below, and have a nice day.